Starting a pest control fog treatment company is a wise and practical response to a widespread issue. Pests invade residences, businesses, and public places regularly, posing health dangers, discomfort, and financial losses. This business aims to meet this ongoing demand with swift, effective, and professional treatments. Our startup focuses on comprehensive pest eradication through sophisticated fogging technology. Unlike traditional surface spraying, fog treatment spreads a fine mist that reaches cracks, ceilings, furniture, and hidden breeding areas. This method allows us to target pests at their origin, ensuring stronger and longer-lasting results. This business serves both residential and commercial clients. Homeowners need safe and dependable pest control to protect their families, while businesses, like restaurants, offices, and schools, require ongoing management to maintain hygiene and safeguard their reputation. By offering tailored fog treatment solutions, we position ourselves as a reliable partner in long-term pest prevention. A key advantage of this startup is its low entry barrier coupled with high growth potential. With a modest initial investment in fogging equipment, approved chemicals, and safety gear, operations can begin with minimal costs. Our time-efficient services allow for multiple jobs per day, and scaling up is easy by adding technicians and equipment as demand grows. Safety, professionalism, and customer trust form the foundation of our business model. Treatments use approved chemicals, delivered by trained professionals in exact quantities. Maintaining open communication with clients, providing thorough post-treatment instructions, and achieving consistent results build strong relationships and encourage repeat business. Additionally, our startup prioritizes generating recurring income through flexible service packages. Beyond one-time treatments, clients are encouraged to select monthly or quarterly maintenance plans. These agreements ensure clients receive ongoing protection while supplying the business with stable cash flow. Our marketing and growth strategies rely on local visibility and trust-focused relationships. We target neighborhoods, landlords, property managers, and local businesses through digital platforms, referrals, and strategic partnerships. As our brand grows, we aim to expand services to include sanitation, disinfection, and comprehensive pest management solutions. This pest control fog treatment startup offers more than just services. It provides solutions to an ongoing problem. With effective technology, professional services, and a scalable business model, our company is set for steady growth and lasting profitability. In a time when cleanliness and safety are crucial, this business offers a trustworthy method to protect spaces, build trust, and generate lasting income.